So I just bought a new reel from Daiwa, which is Free Swimmer BR 10,000. Let's see. We're gonna be unboxing this one, and so we have, what is this? The gear ratio is 4.7 to 1. It's 645 gram, and then the maximum drag is 10 kilogram or 22 pound. Has 5 bearings and 100 centimeter per crank. So let's see what's inside. We have the reel here. Nice. The handle is here, so it's interesting to see that this reel came in left-handed, which is what I'm used to actually. I'm so bad at this. How do we do this? Oh yeah.
All done. Last one? Okay.
Oh, it is so smooth. So it is definitely lightweight. It is smooth. The drag sound is not as loud as the Shimano one, like Betrunner D, but it is good. It's still good. What else do we get? So we have, I think this is a screw opener. I don't know how to call that, like, yeah, the screw opener. Oh, this one is for opening the knob here, knob handle here. And also we have, this one is a real seat spacer. So if the line is uneven here, you can put this inside there. We have some manual here. It's too long. And then also we have what is it, part list. Well, what is good about this reel is that they have some seal here, but it doesn't come with a warranty. This is so weird. It's definitely so smooth. It's so lightweight, and it has some seal. So in a way, what I can describe from this reel is the lightweightness and the smoothness feels like Shimano Betrunner D, and because they have some seal here, and up, down, and then on the side also, it feels like it's, in terms of the seal, it's similar to Speed Action. Oh, dua.